Student 1 comes from a low-income family. They have a natural talent for drawing, painting, and visual storytelling. They dream of becoming a graphic designer or animator. School experience. The school focuses heavily on standardized testing in math, science, and language arts. There are no art classes, and the budget for creative programs was cut years ago. Student 1 struggles with math and science, but excels in creative projects. However, their talents are overlooked because the school prioritizes test scores over individual strengths. Teachers and counselors encourage Student 1 to focus on practical subjects to improve their test scores, dismissing their artistic abilities as just a hobby. Without access to art classes, mentors, or resources, Student 1 becomes disengaged and eventually drops out of school, believing they're not smart enough to succeed. Student 2 comes from a wealthy family. They have a natural aptitude for math and problem solving and dream of becoming an engineer. School experience. The school has well-funded STEM programs, advanced math classes, and robotics clubs. Student 2's talents are recognized and nurtured from an early age. Teachers encourage Student 2 to take AP Calculus, participate in math competitions, and attend summer STEM camps. Student 2's family can afford private tutoring and extracurricular programs to further develop their skills. Student 2 graduates at the top of their class, earns a scholarship to a prestigious university, and eventually lands a high-paying job as an engineer. How the school system keeps Student 1 poor. 1. One-size-fits-all curriculum. The school system prioritizes standardized testing and a rigid curriculum that doesn't accommodate diverse talents. Student 1's artistic abilities are ignored because they don't fit into the narrow definition of success measured by test scores. 2. Lack of resources. Low-income schools often lack funding for arts programs, creative outlets, and individualized learning opportunities. Student 1's talent goes untapped because the school can't afford to support it. 3. Low expectations. Teachers and counselors may have lower expectations for students from low-income backgrounds, steering them toward practical paths instead of encouraging their passions. 4. Disengagement and dropout. When students like 1 feel unsupported and undervalued, they're more likely to disengage from school and drop out, limiting their future opportunities and perpetuating the cycle of poverty. Contrast with Student 2. Student 2's talents align with the school's priorities, math and science, and their wealth allows them to access additional resources and opportunities. The school system rewards Student 2's strengths, setting them up for long-term success and economic stability. The bigger picture. This example shows how the school system can reinforce inequality by valuing certain talents over others and failing to provide equitable resources for all students. While Student 2 thrives, Student 1's potential is wasted, keeping them trapped in poverty. A more equitable system would recognize and nurture diverse talents, providing pathways for all students to succeed, regardless of their background or strengths. The idea of escaping the matrix is often inspired by the 1999 film The Matrix, which uses the concept of a simulated reality to explore themes of control, freedom, and self-awareness. While there's no literal matrix to escape, the metaphor can be applied to breaking free from societal conditioning, systemic oppression, and limiting beliefs. Here's a formula to help you escape the matrix in a philosophical and practical sense. The formula to escape the matrix. 1. Awareness. Wake up. Question everything. Challenge societal norms, beliefs, and systems. Ask yourself why things are the way they are and who benefits from them. Educate yourself. Seek knowledge outside mainstream narratives. Read books, explore alternative perspectives, and study history, philosophy, and systems of power. Recognize conditioning. Identify how your thoughts, behaviors, and desires are shaped by external forces, media, education, culture, etc. 2. Self-discovery. Know thyself. Identify your values. Determine what truly matters to you, not what you've been told should matter. Discover your talents and passions. Explore your unique strengths and interests. What brings you joy and fulfillment? Detach from external validation. Stop seeking approval from others. Define success on your own terms. 3. Critical thinking. Break the illusion. Analyze systems. Understand how economic, political, and social systems work. Recognize how they may exploit or limit you. Spot manipulation. Learn to identify propaganda, advertising, and other tools used to control behavior and thought. Think independently. Form your own opinions based on evidence and reason, not on what's popular or convenient. 4. Take action. Rewrite the code. Live authentically. Align your actions with your values and beliefs. Reject societal pressures to conform. Build financial independence. Reduce reliance on systems that exploit you. Learn about personal finance, investing, and alternative income streams. Create community. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who support your journey and share your vision for a better world. 5. Empower others. Expand the awakening. Share knowledge. Help others wake up by sharing what you've learned. Encourage critical thinking and self-discovery. Challenge injustice. Use your voice and resources to fight systemic oppression and create a more equitable society. Inspire change. Lead by example and show others that it's possible to live freely and authentically. Practical steps to apply the formula. 1. Detox from media. Limit exposure to mainstream media, social media, and advertising. Consume content that expands your mind rather than numbing it. 2. Learn skills. Acquire skills that give you independence, such as coding, gardening, or entrepreneurship. 3. Minimalism. Simplify your life. Focus on what truly matters and reduce dependence on consumerism. 4. Network. Connect with people who are also seeking freedom and truth. Collaborate on projects that align with your values. 5. Invest in yourself. Spend time on personal growth, mental health, and physical well-being. A strong mind and body are essential for breaking free. The ultimate goal. Escaping the matrix isn't about rejecting society entirely, but about living consciously and intentionally. It's about freeing yourself from mental, emotional, and systemic chains so you can create a life of purpose, freedom, and authenticity. Remember, the journey is ongoing. There's no final destination, only continuous growth and awakening. As Morpheus says in The Matrix, you take the blue pill, the story ends, you wake up in your bed and believe whatever you want to believe. You take the red pill, you stay in Wonderland, and I show you how deep the rabbit hole goes. The choice is yours.